Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see in 2020 the crude price made a low also as well as moved upside also. So we have seen the price was very volatile in this particular month, but after that what we have seen in 2021 the price is continuously in the upside. Okay, if we look at in the month of November and December, we have seen that the price in December it was moving in a particular range. Okay, currently moving at 73.72. So what we can see in the next week. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Or you can attend my workshop also, you can mail me and as well as in the group. Now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart from starting of December, we have seen that the price of crude is moving up. Okay, if we look at the chart, we can see the price is moving up, but it is moving in a particular range. Okay, made a low of around 62.49 and from there it is continuously an upside and made a high of around 73.94. okay, so moving in a month of around from 62 to 73 is a good movement. Volatility we can see, okay, of around 10 to $12. Okay, so now what you can see, look at the chart. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, and we have seen the December month high was around 73.22 and it has broke this level and now reached at a level of 73.80, made a high of around 73.87. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a probability of going high. If it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 74.3. And suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 75.61. So keep this in mind. If the price goes above 74, above a level of 74.3, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 75.75. okay, and this level is already tested here, so chances will be very high it can go further upside to a level of 75.97. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 76.7. okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 77.20. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 78.36. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 78.56. again I repeat, if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 75.75, which is already tested here, so chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 76.12. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go and touch a level of 76.7. okay, and if this is the resistance which is not tested, so chances are high we can see a bounce back from this level. okay, and this is 77 is a 7-year high. If the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 78.36 also. okay, and from there if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 78.87. okay, and from there if it sustain above this level, then we can see further upside to a level of 79.30, and from there we can see a next resistance coming at around 79.74. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 80.17, and from there we can, if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 80.97. okay, why I'm telling you, because if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside. But okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, then what we can see, it can come again in this particular zone, and now support we can see coming at around 73.36. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 73. okay, and from suppose if it didn't sustain this level, then it can go and touch a level of 72.35. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 71.98, and from there it can go and touch a level of 71.12. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 70.39. okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 69.67. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 69.23. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 67.49. okay, so what we can see looking at the chart, see, we can see a trend is forming, or narrow pattern is forming, so chances will be very high it can go further upside or down, further upside, because we have seen a range has break upside. Okay, but suppose if it didn't sustain this level, then only we can see it can go again in this particular zone, and can, if it goes below a level of 73, we can see a level of 72.27. If it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 1.04, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 70.32. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see a level of 69.45, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 69.09. Okay, suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 68.43, or if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 67.47. And once if it comes close to 67.47, then we can see a probability of it can touch a level of 66.26. Once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 65.68. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 64.95. Okay, once if it comes close to 64. Once if it goes below a level of 67, then probability of hitting 65.75 is high, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see a probability it can cross a level of 65, because this level is already tested, so chances are high we can see a level of 64.45. Okay, 164.45, then we can see downside movement can come and touch a level of 62.56. Okay, once this level is crossed downside, then we can see a probability of touching a level of 61.84, and from there it can go and touch a level of 60.75. Okay, once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 60.10 also. So keep this in mind, if the price goes below a level of 65, then only we can see it can go and touch a level of 64.9, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 64.09. Any doubt you can mail me. And one more thing you have to understand, set a limit for the day and for a particular trade. Okay, risk is defining your risk is very important, then only you can trade. Important, you have to understand one thing, set a limit, plus if you are in profit, exit in profit. That's the two things that I have to make you understand. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.